Dong! Chi! Tawag doon, ibilangin nyo na yung magbe-best player para mamaya idagdag nyo na lang yung score nila dito para di na matagal mamaya.
Ready, attacking, token, taking 2, total, pass, 6 minutes, 25, 5-6, deadlock. Total. Total, hindi natin, Mr. Mauro ni Kyle. Kyle, ang kapanyan, Webby, Semenet, and Pilet, wala, Ruben Balikin, Ken, nagpapadali, Ken, kanya na to, Ken, lumipan, Ruben Balikin, naman ang Ken, AC, 5 minutes, MVP, Toto, kumanda, 2 points by Toto, power line, Ken, nakamit tayo second ball, game, 5 minutes, everything. Shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds. Wala. Rebound by Kyle. Kyle. Lumipad. Wala. Foul! Tuloy-tuloy ang foul. 5 minutes and 21. Last possession. Last possession yan. Before change. Last possession. Tuloy again. Last possession. Last possession. Tuloy shoot change. Tuloy shoot change yan. Wala. Rebound time. Double zero. Zero. Wala.
Change.
Change na. Change na. All eight. Change na. All eight yan. Change na. Score. All eight.
In favor of
In
committee.
favor of committee, last week, yung basketball. Balik tayo yan, ha? May palo na sa Chris, yung libre na ulit. Bam! 3 balls by Bernadette. Bernadette 86, pumila ka na hon. Wala, 3 balls by Ken. Ken, ang ganda pa sa 86, 2 points. 10, 11, 10, in favor of Italy. 4 minutes and 36. And na naman, sigado na naman. Wala na.
Ano ba? Charger ako dyan.
Oras, gawin mo
1
lang.
minute. 11-10. Tapos naman eh.
5 minutes!
4 minutes.
Score.
11-10.
11-10, 4 minutes! Ano lang?
3 minutes.
3 minutes!
Uy, lalo daw.
11-10.
Wala, hindi pa naman natin. Pumay, 2 minutes and 40. Kyle, lumiban, wala, rebound by Reggie. 2 minutes and 30. So 86, kahit naman wala, good. 2 minutes and 37, 30-10, in favor of TV pa rin. 0. Training free, kaya wala, rebound by 0, 2, wala, rebound by Salamon, 2 minutes and 7-3, wala, rebound by Kyle, last 2 minutes ng finals, Tunelek, 2 points, number 5, 1 minute and 55 seconds, Salamon. 15-10, Salamon, nagmamadali, Salamon, patabas, Dinelek, Forte, Salamon, good, patabas. 1 minute and 42, Salamon 5, Tunelek, 83, good ball, Berechi, 13, 1 minute and 30, 0, Sampai Tunelek, 2 points, 17-13, in favor of Italy, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Ready.
Ready. Tukin.
Take it to ba? 2 points. Score, 17-15. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. 17-15. Score of Team D. Wala, rebound by Reggie. Reggie to 86. To Ed, intercepted. 46 seconds.
40 seconds.
Running time! Running time!
30 seconds. 70-15.
Good yan!
Lamang ng isa.
Labas yan, labas
Running
yan.
time!
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
17-15.
2 points lang yan, oh!
Sino lamang? Sino lamang?
Team D.
Team D. Lamang 20 seconds. 20. 70 seconds. 40. Wala.
2 points pa yan, oh! Kaya pa yan!
10 seconds.
2 points pa yan!
Dalawa lang lamang.
Dalawa lang lamang!
8.